So there was a call that I made back in, I believe it was late June. I think it was June 30th. And that was that the ADA bottom is in fact in. Now, this call has held up since that point in time. All right. And it looks like right now we are getting that confirmation either further that the ADA bottom is in fact in. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. Now, if you guys are curious about going and checking out that video, it's this one right here, Cardano, ADA, the bottom is in. This is the actual call. And this was right after the SEC FUD where they named ADA in their lawsuit against Coinbase. And they said that it was an unregistered security. And this is after we had the institutional sell-off. This is after prices dropped way down and we actually started our climb back up. So I believe right here is where I ended up, or somewhere in this wick here is where I ended up making that call, which if we look here, we have not created a new low for ADA this year. And it looks like right now with the overall direction of the market, what ADA is doing in the charts, you can obviously see this bullish cross finally happened here. We're climbing. We're above 29 cents right now. We're in that band between 28 to 30 cents. We're looking really good. And this is why I've said, I don't think we're going lower. We came back down. We tried to retest those levels that we saw back in June, and ADA wanted no part of it. Okay. We did not break 24 cents despite many of the negative circumstances that we faced over this month and a half, almost 2-month period in that range. ADA was not going lower. Okay. If we do, like I said in this video, if we do get a major black swan event, something that cripples the crypto industry, that's something that could push us to new lows. But right now, we're just simply not seeing it. The overall market direction is extremely bullish, and we are getting further support from outside the space now. This is that point where we're starting to see capital flowing in from the outside. We're closing in on the halving. We almost had the bull market confirmation. These are going to be times that push us to new highs. Okay, as always, this is not financial advice. I'm not saying it's going to happen right now. You know, if we look back, I don't know if it's on this chart or not. If we look back at historical ADA, we began this climb, all right? If we look at how we closed out 2019, we turned around and we started to move to the upside, okay? We climbed, and, you know, as we're approaching the halving, really the only thing that pulled us back at that point in time was a black swan event, the COVID crash, the thing that dropped the entire market. And all we did after that was just resume our climb into the halving, okay? That is the direction we are starting to see now. We are starting to see that climb that should lead us into the halving. And I'm still thinking right now that the ADA bottom is in fact in. Maybe people think we get a further shakeout. I think it's possible, but right now, I don't think this shakeout is something that's going to usher in new lows. I don't believe it's something that's going to drop us down into here. If anything, I think it's something a little more tempered, something that brings us down to this 26-cent range, you know, basically creating a new higher low for this trend that we're on. Okay. So you guys can check out the video if you want. If not, that's fine too. I think we got some very good times ahead of us. I'm not saying we're going to immediately again run to all-time highs. This is going to be a long, steady process. Remember, we have essentially 2 years until we should see the height of a bull market cycle, but those 2 years should be good. They should be explosive. We should start to see the impacts of mass adoption in terms of crypto. We should start to also see the adoption of the Cardano ecosystem as well. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but I hope you guys have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.